Hey, this is Brandon with My Tennessee Home Solution. Are you considering selling your home and wondering if a home buying company can be a solution for you? I'd like to share a story with you that might help you make that determination. A gentleman in Mount Juliet reached out to us after his mother passed. He struggled greatly with the emotion of selling his mother's home, which was also his childhood home. So much so that it took him nearly a year to pick up the phone and make the call to us. I wish I could say that after that first conversation that he was immediately relieved of the anxiety and stress, but we all know that's rarely how it works. During the in-person appointment, he continued to express how uncertain he was about moving forward and questioned if he was truly ready to let go. We knew we couldn't make that decision for him, but what we could do is purchase the property and make it ready for a new family to create precious memories and experience the warmth of home that he associated with the house. He decided to take that step of faith. We closed within 30 days, and it's well on its way to being a home to a new family. If this resonates with you and you're curious if we might be able to help, reach out to us and we'd be happy to chat about your situation. Because My Tennessee Home Solution buys homes for cash and on your timeline.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.